Hi everyone, welcome to Eternal Tales, how DNA data storage could replace hard drives by 2030. Imagine saving all your photos, videos, games and important files inside something smaller than a grain of rice. It may sound impossible, but scientists believe DNA could make this a reality. Instead of using hard drives or SSDs made from silicon, future computers may store data inside tiny strands of synthetic DNA. This technology is still being tested, but many experts believe it could become one of the biggest changes in computing. By 2030, DNA storage may start replacing traditional hard drives for storing huge amounts of information. Every day, people create billions of new files. We take photos, record videos, send emails, use social media, and create AI programs. All of this information needs to be stored somewhere. Today, we use hard disk drives, solid state drives, USB drives, and cloud storage. These devices work well, but they have problems. Hard drives can break because they have moving parts. SSDs are much faster, but they also wear out after years of use. Large data centers also use a lot of electricity and need powerful cooling systems. As the world creates more and more data, scientists are looking for a better way to store it. DNA is the material that carries the instructions for all living things. It tells your body how to grow and work. DNA is made of four letters: A, T, C, and G. These four letters store the information that makes every plant, animal, and human unique. Scientists discovered that these same four letters can also store computer data. Computers store information using only two numbers, 0 and 1. These are called binary numbers. Scientists changed the 0s and 1s into the DNA letters A, T, C, and G. After that, they create tiny pieces of synthetic DNA that contain the information. When they want the data back, special machines read the DNA and change it back into computer files. So instead of saving your files on a hard drive, they are saved inside DNA. The biggest advantage of DNA is how much it can hold. DNA can store an incredible amount of information in a very small space. Just 1 gram of DNA could store hundreds of petabytes of data. That is enough to hold millions of movies, billions of photos, or huge libraries of books. To store the same amount of data today, you would need thousands of hard drives. With DNA, everything could fit inside a tiny tube. Hard drives do not last forever. Most hard drives last about 5 to 10 years before they may fail. Even SSDs eventually wear out. Scientists have found DNA in ancient bones that is thousands of years old. If synthetic DNA is stored properly in a cool, dry place, it could safely keep data for hundreds or even thousands of years. This makes DNA perfect for storing government records, medical information, historical documents, scientific research, family photos, and important business files. Today's data centers use huge amounts of electricity. Thousands of computers run all day and night, and they also need cooling systems to stop them from getting too hot. Once the information is written into DNA, it does not need electricity to keep it stored. The DNA simply stays safely in storage until someone wants to read it. This could save a lot of energy and help protect the environment. DNA storage is still much slower than today's SSDs. Saving and reading data from DNA takes much longer than copying a file onto your computer. Because of this, DNA will probably not replace the hard drive in your laptop anytime soon. Instead, it will first be used to store information that does not need to be opened every day. This includes old government records, hospital files, research data, museum collections, backup files, and large cloud storage systems. You may still use an SSD, while companies store their oldest and biggest files in DNA. DNA storage is exciting, but scientists still have work to do. Making synthetic DNA costs much more than making hard drives. Writing data into DNA takes much longer than saving files to an SSD. You cannot plug DNA into a computer like a USB drive. Special machines are needed to write and read the DNA. These machines are becoming better and cheaper as technology improves. Many experts believe that by 2030, DNA storage will become much more useful. It may not replace every hard drive, but it could become common in